Okay, it is time for another unboxing. It's fine. I mean, I guess we're just spoiled now with all these upgrades that they're coming out with. I have tried so hard to not look at any spoilers to this, so let's do it. Okay, so the first thing that I see is this iconic London Prep Set and Glow. Very, very shimmery, very, very pretty. So this retails for $29. Multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. It's got cucumber extracts, chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. 100% vegan. Helps condition the skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. Okay, so let's just see. Ooh, it smells really nice. Next we have Iconic London, another one. Okay, so this is a lip plumping gloss. Ooh. In the shade Sex Kitten. Okay. Really pretty, like, fall berry color. So I'll just do a quick little swatch of this. It's got a really, like, weird shaped applicator. It's got like a really, like, intense dip right there. So should I have put this on my hand if it's a plumping lip gloss? I don't know. There we go. It's kind of a sheer color. Eye Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide, which helps to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluptuous looking lips. So I wonder if it actually, like, burns or gives you that. It can either be hot. I've had hot plumping or the cooling plumping. Guess we'll see. But this sells for $26. Give that a shot. Next is another eyeliner, which I'm kind of over getting eyeliners in all of my subscription boxes, just because I have a whole lot of them. Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner, and it's in the shade Black. So we're going ahead and do a little swatch for this as well. Focus. This eyeliner retails for $7. Get them all the time now, and it's getting a little old, guys. Getting a little old. Okay, next we have from Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. This is something new. Lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. Perfect to use over powder or pencil. This sells for $16. Okay, let's try this. Yes, this was a small applicator that looks like a mascara applicator. Okay, look. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Action. Lights Camera Action. So this one's the small brow one. This is the Tarte eyelash applicator. Small, that's huge. It literally says a mini brush applicator. Next is from Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. Great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. This sells for $32. This kind of looks the same from the packaging. Okay, this actually looks really pretty. It comes with a little applicator that I don't know if I'll really use. So that's what they look like. Very, very light. So this one's called Berry Chic. This one's Roseberry. Berry Pop, Mixed Berries, and Berry Black. I just got my nose pierced, redouble pierced again, so I did not do like a full makeup thing. I didn't even conceal. I just did it really quick. I just threw on some quick eyebrows because I just know it's going to be messed up with this. So we'll go on ahead and just start with this, I suppose. So again, this is from the brand Mellow Tinted Eyebrow Gel. I'm scared, y'all. Like, this thing's huge. Like, please just look. It's like twice the actual depth of my eyebrows. Oh yeah, no, sweetie. I have to like hold it sideways. Sis, that ain't it. Like, it's not, I guess, the brand's fault. Like, maybe some people have eyelashes or eyebrows that are this thick. But honey, my eyebrows are in the 90s. I got the 90s eyebrows going. Early 2000s, super thin. That's just how my eyebrows work. Like, I've literally not plucked them in over a year. And they're still that thin. But it's just a pain. Like, it's hard to use that because it's so thick. I'm annoyed. Anyways, so that was a no for me. Now, hopefully the rest of these items will be better. So we're going to go ahead and hop into our Dose of Colors palette. This one as our transition. Maybe this one on the outer corner, this on the very, very outer to really deepen it up, and maybe this all over the lid. We'll see. So I said we're going to go on ahead and use this Roseberry shade as our transition. So a lot. That picks up so much pigment. Oh my gosh, that's 2 bumps. There's a lot of fallout in the pan. Okay. Let's just give it a whirl. Oh. Dose of Colors didn't come to play, I see. Holy. Okay. Let's do one light bulb this time. So this one looks a lot better than this one. This is just kind of too much. It's really hard to blend out because I got way too much product. This box is just not going well for me. Like, let's just face it. This eye looks great. Like, I'm okay with this one. I can handle it. Okay. So, note to self, go easy on the colors. So now we're going to go with this color, which is Mixed Berries, just to deepen this up a little bit. Okay, this is actually really pretty though. I normally just do like very, very simple looks, like very natural nudes. Maybe this will bring me out of my comfort zone. It's making fun of this eye, but this eye looks better than this eye. Maybe this is all just user error today. Maybe that's just what we have to boil it down to. Which I'm okay with. That's just how it is sometimes. Okay. Now we're going to try this little dose of colors, kind of this little angled guy, and dip into this black, berry black color. This black is black, man. They weren't playing games when they made this palette. I don't know if I've ever really used a dose of colors. I used their lip gloss or liquid lipstick. And I really enjoyed that. All I can smell right now is this Iconic London stuff, and I can't get over it. It smells so good because I got some on my arm. It smells so good. So good. This one it's gonna be the Berry Chic, the lightest color in the palette. I can't get over the amount of pigment this thing picks up. Okay, and honestly that was a lot darker than what I anticipated it being. Like, it honestly matches the transition shade that we used really well. Like, it's maybe a little bit more bubble gummy pink, but that is not the kind of the look that I was hoping for. Like, that transition shade was just a smidge darker, but let's use this one. I don't think I've used this color from this. Sorry, this is my Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. Very heavily used. I've not used this pink shimmer, so just go a little bit underneath the eyes. That transition color. Those boys are walking by again. If the dogs start barking, I apologize in advance. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and use this. Okay, so I finally got the hooligans out of the yard. I'm going to go ahead and do kind of a close-up of this eye look. It's very dramatic for me. I said I typically just do my browns and nudes, so this is very bright, so it doesn't really match my shirt, but it's okay. The colors looked really nice. I mean, had a ton of payoff. It's just not my normal look, so I feel like I have to get used to it a little bit. And I unfortunately don't have any false eyelashes right now, so I just put on regular mascara, which I use this, I'm trying to get used to it. It's called Big Ego by Tarte. Don't really know how I feel about it either. Kind of makes I sound like such a pessimist in this video. I'm not. I love makeup. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm a nice person. I'm a nice person. Anyways, I don't know how I really feel about that. It makes my eyelashes look really clumpy, kind of spider leggy looking. Not my favorite look. But now we're going to go ahead and go in with this pencil. I guess we'll give it a minute and see if it starts to bleed or run. If it does anything weird, because I don't know. And now we'll go ahead and do this lip plump gloss, which is totally, probably not going to do well with this look. I'm scared. Is this like really kind of, I don't know if it'll be able to show up on camera, but like, do you see how it kind of like flings the product a little bit? Give it, I don't know if it's supposed to like, I mean you can definitely feel something going on, but I really don't know how to describe it. It does feel kind of tingly. It is cooling. It's not a my lips are on fire type one. It's cool. I'm giving up on that one. I mean, it's kind of refreshing, but it's not anything really at all. Okay, so now we're going to go with I think my favorite product was this Iconic London. I think it smells so flipping good. Okay, I am going to block my nose though, because I'm not trying to get this infected. I literally just got it done. What time is it? It's 5:03, so I literally got it done 4 hours ago. So, I'm just going to kind of, why did I even do that side of my face? I can't get over how good this stuff smells though. I don't know how I feel about the spray. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like huge, like it's in my, I don't know. It's okay. I forgive it for the smell. It smells fantastic. Okay, so let's see how much this BoxyCharm totals up to. Let's see. So, the eyeshadow palette sells for $32. The Iconic Prep Set Glow sells for $29. The Lip Plumping Gloss sells for $26. The Brow Gel sells for $16. And then the eyeliner is $7. So our total is $110. So, I'll take it. Am I obsessed with everything? Absolutely not. Was this my favorite box? Absolutely not. But I mean, the gloss is pretty. It's tinted. It looks scrumptious. Looks good. So this is a win. This is kind of a win. It's kind of, nothing really straight won me over. I mean, I guess this was nice. It's just kind of out of my comfort range. Not comfort range, just my normal range, but it's nice. I like it. But then everything else is just mediocre. This was okay. This was okay. The eyeliner, it's eyeliner. That brow gel thing was a total fat loss for me, but to each their own. Alright, well that is my BoxyCharm for the month of October, which I thought this was going to be, it says it's after dark, but I thought this would be kind of like a spooky one. So have a great, fantastic day.